Working with web authentication systems and have an FCC file from forms-based authentication. This contains credential collector configuration for web applications. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to use these forms credential collector files. Get ready for the finale. The power of this solution comes from the deep FCC file analysis provided by one specific inspection tool that is truly universal in its application. FCC files are credential collector files, used by IBM Tivoli Access Manager, and similar enterprise authentication systems for forms-based authentication. They contain HTML form templates, JavaScript code and configuration parameters used to collect user credentials during web-based authentication processes in protected enterprise applications. FCC. Credential collector files use HTML format with embedded form elements, input fields, and submission logic, following IBM WebSEAL authentication specifications. The format includes HTML markup for login forms, hidden fields for authentication state, and JavaScript validation code integrated with the WebSEAL reverse proxy authentication framework for secure credential handling. IBM maintains the integrity of the FCC specification through Integrity SiteMinder. Full file extraction and decompression must be managed by a third-party utility. Windows may allow quick editing, but altering settings without context may create issues. We need to force an application link. Right-click your FCC file, then click Open With. Prioritize Integrity SiteMinder if you see it. If not, test the next program. Sometimes it's a hidden application that works. Because your FCC file is still failing to open, the issue is contained within 3 basic categories. Review this checklist now for the common causes and their solutions. First, editing in Web Editor. Open the FCC file in any HTML editor like Visual Studio Code, Sublime Text, or Notepad++. The file uses standard HTML markup with WebSEAL specific elements that authenticate users. Edit the form layout, styling, or behavior while preserving the WebSEAL placeholders required for proper authentication integration. Next, deploying to WebSEAL. Place modified FCC files in the WebSEAL document directory, typically under the lib folder of your IBM Tivoli Access Manager installation. WebSEAL uses these files dynamically during authentication flows. Test changes thoroughly in non-production environments before deploying to production authentication systems handling user credentials. Finally, viewing in browser. Open FCC files in a web browser to preview the form layout. Some elements may appear as placeholder text, since WebSEAL replaces them at runtime. The browser preview helps with visual design and layout verification, though full functionality requires deployment to a WebSEAL environment for proper credential handling. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. When your file is still locked, the issue is almost certainly due to its niche format, which few programs recognize. FileMagick specializes in reading these obscure file types. Visit filemagick.com for more info. Confirm your success in the comments. Hit subscribe so you don't miss any of my upcoming technical guides.